year we had 2 events, and for whatever reason I had this insane idea to double that.
Words are one of the most powerful tools that we have at our disposal. And we are in a time when people are trying to silence voices, silence words, silence ideas. And here at the library, we stand to make sure that you have access to all of that all of the time.
These days feels a lot more like an internal travel. I can't believe it took me so long to recognize I was shallow. Why did my family have to go?
All of my friends are back north.
You'll see them next year, and besides, we always make new friends.
It won't be the same.
Here, try some of this grass. It's organic and GMO free. Those are both terrible places.
I just want to feel like I belong somewhere.
You don't think you belong with the flock and wherever we go?
God's got his eye on me, but I ain't a sparrow. I'm more like a lawnmower. No, a chainsaw. Anything that might mangle each manicured lawn in Port Arthur, a place I wouldn't return to if the mayor offered me every ounce of oil my daddy cans in the refinery. I mean, my voice ain't sweet, nothing nice about it. It won't fly, even with Jesus watching. I don't believe in Jesus. The Baxter boys climbed a tree just to throw persimmons at me. The good and perfect gifts from above hit like lightning, leave bruises. So I lied.
Because she just would give me the poet she had heard of. But it's not actually a great idea to give a depressed 10-year-old Anne Sexton. Do you know what I'm saying? But I was reading Anne Sexton. Do you know what I mean? Who would have poems about cheating on her husband. I was like, okay, now we in here.